Hello guys, this is Ever. I'm doing a shoe review. Dahil bagong taon, I decided to buy a new sneakers. And I choose the Nike Air Max 97 in black and metallic gold color. As you can see. Sa close-up details ng ating Nike Air Max 97, is makikita nyo ay may different layer dito ng two materials made of leather and then textile materials. And then sa taas naman ay makita nyo dito. Yan, I like the gold design here. And then of course the Nike logo here in red. I like the combination of black and gold. At saka mayroong red Nike logo. And then the air system ng soles ng sapatos na ito. Ayan. And then sa ilalim is color black and white. At saka may konting red. And then another Nike logo. So I think in all, merong 6 logo sapatos na ito. So bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at pang-anim po ang sa loob ng sapatos. At tingnan po natin ngayon ang actual fitting ng Air Max 97. Guys, that's all for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check my other videos. Thank you!